Let's explore the art of cooking water. For real, we're gonna cook water. It's a classical Ayurvedic technique of taking water that's inherently heavy and cold, and by cooking it, we're gonna transform it into a substance that's lighter, more warming, and easier to digest. It takes a lot of skill to cook water. So here's what you do. You pour water into a pot, and then you turn on the heat, and then you wait for it to boil. So that's the simple process. Bring it to a boil, let it cook for maybe 5 minutes. And what this does from a science standpoint is it cooks off all of the heavy gases that are in water. But you don't want to cook it down too much so that you condense any of the less desirable aspects of water. And so bring it to a boil, 5 minutes, and then let it cool. Put it in a mason jar, put it in a thermos, and bring it to work with you. In the wintertime, you might want to drink it while it's still hot, and in the summertime, let it cool down. And you can leave it on your stove and drink it all day. So I'll make a pot in the morning, and then I'm just dipping into my pot with a clean glass or a clean mug throughout the day for my drinking water. And what it gives you is an easier to digest beverage. It will hydrate you more. And it also has a little bit of a cleansing action. So if your digestion's sluggish, if you're ate a little bit too much the day before, if you tend to have a diet that's a little bit heavier, say in the winter time, having cooked water helps to move things along through your digestive system a little bit more effectively.